Welcome to Cabo San Lucas, Mexico. Here are top things to do and explore for your next trip to Cabo San Lucas. Most cruise ships docking at Cabo San Lucas will take a tender to reach the port. Strolling down the streets of Cabo San Lucas, we encountered a wonderful photo spot. We joined a glass bottom boat tour, which offered us views of Pelican Rock and the surrounding rock formations in Cabo. Check out all the sea lions. We've reached Lover's Beach, a secluded beach that's only accessible by boat. It is popular with cruise goers and tourists. As we sail further into the Cabo Marina, the waves get choppier and the seas get rougher. There are abundant species of wildlife in Cabo, including fish, whales, and coral reefs. Up next is El Arco, perhaps the most popular landmark of all of Cabo San Lucas. The famed rock formation jets out into the ocean like an arc. You've guessed it, Scooby-Doo Rock. Doesn't the rock look like Scooby-Doo? Beware of choppy seas while visiting the Arc and Scooby-Doo Rock. Neptune's Finger is a slender rock protruding out of the water near Lover's Beach. It looks slightly like a bent finger rising up from the deep blue sea. Not only will you spot pelicans near Pelican Rock, but the coral around it also make it a great place to spot local fish and sea urchin. Can you spot the pelicans in this clip? After walking around the downtown Cabo area, we decided to grab a bite at Baja Cantina. The Mexican restaurant serves tacos, margaritas, and other Mexican specialties in a vibrant outdoor setting. You can find the address of the restaurant and more information in the description box below. The patio is spacious and features many screens to watch your favorite game. We ordered the tableside guacamole and salsa for around 210 pesos. We ordered a sauteed octopus and Baja style fish tacos. A great place to find souvenirs and gifts is at the Art and Crafts Market in the Cabo San Lucas Marina. Find clothing, fridge magnets, and more sold by local vendors in the Arts and Crafts Market. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Cooking with Clinton if you enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out our upcoming videos on Puerto Vallarta, Mazatlan, and Ensenada. See you soon!